key initiative announced किया था partnership for accelerated innovation and research where pairing universities where research is at nascent stage with top tier established institutions for mentorship in awareness program. Mission for advancement in high impact area Maha to support priority development solution focused research in priority area like EV mobility, advanced materials, solar cell, health and medical technology sector. ARAF मतलब अनुसंधान नेशनल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन Center of Excellence to establish world-class research center with substantial funding support. अनुसंधान नेशनल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन established under the ANRF Act 2023 and housed world scientific science and engineering research world is subsumed in ANRF. The aim is to seed, grow and foster a culture of research and innovation throughout the country as per recommendation of National Education Policy. ANRF strives to make India a knowledge-driven society and mobilization of 50,000 crore for the period 23-28, 40,000 crore from center and 36,000 crore from private sources. Governance Administrative Department, Department of Science and Technology, and government body ex-officio PM, ex-officio President PM and ex-officio Vice President, Minister of Science and Technology and Minister of Education. Executive laws is cleared by the Principal Scientific Advisory Advisor to the Government of India. It is the National Institution Ranking Framework, ANIRF. The Ministry of Education released the India Ranking 2024 9th edition, which implements the National Institution Ranking Framework launched in 2013 by the Ministry of Education. And objective is to outline a methodology to rank educational institutions across the country based on parameters. High parameters to teaching, learning and research, research and professional practices, graduation outcome, outreach and inclusivity and perception. So this is just integration of innovation ranking into the India ranking framework. Implementing by the National Board of Accreditation in collaboration with NET Center in Gandhinagar. National Board of Accreditation assesses qualitative competence to the program offered by educational institutions from diploma level to post-graduate level in engineering and technology management, pharmacy, architecture and related disciplines. 2024 ranking, new additional category for ranking, Open University, State Public University and State University. IIT Madras topped in overall category for the 6th consecutive year. Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore topped in the university category for the 9th consecutive year. Other global ranking is the World University ranking published by Times Higher Education. Central Bank include 2092 ranked university from 150 countries and territories. They include 18 indicators to assess institutions from 5 key areas like teaching, research, environment, research quality, industry management, and international outlook. Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore is the top ranked university ranked 251 to 300. 4 Indian universities are placed in the rating 400 to 500. US World University ranking is released by Quamini Diamonds. It is based on non-performance indicators and Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. It is the top most ranked Indian institution at 110. University Impact Ranking 2024 published by the higher education institution. It identifies university that excel across multiple United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, top ranked Indian university and capital. And India is most represented country in the overall table, 96 institutions.
नेक्स्ट, फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस इन इंडिया। यूनियन गवर्नमेंट ने इशू किया है लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट टू द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ साउथहैम्पटन, यूनाइटेड किंगडम, टू एस्टेब्लिश देयर कैंपस इन गुरुग्राम, इंडिया. It will be the first international university to set up a campus in India under the UGC regulation 2030. And about UGC setting of operation and campus of Foreign Higher Education Institute of India regulation 2023 देखें to facilitate the entry of high ranked foreign universities as envisaged in the NEP 2020 to provide international dimensions to the higher education. Criteria is set up for the foreign university campus. तो जो फॉरेन जो फॉरेन हाई रैंक्ड यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं, ये ग्लोबल टॉप 500 में होनी चाहिए, इधर ओवरऑल और इन देयर रिलेवेंट सब्जेक्ट एरियाज, और शुड पोसेस आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपर्टाइज इन द पर्टिकुलर एरिया. टू और मोर देन टू जो फॉरेन हायर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट है कैन कोलेबोरेट to set up a campus in India, provided each foreign higher education institute meet the eligibility criteria individually. And approval जो है UGC shall initially grant in principle approval and issue a letter of intent to applicant institute. They are expected to set up a campus in India within 2 years from date of issue of letter of intent. Faculty and staff structure में autonomy to decide the qualifications, salary structure and other condition of services for appointing faculty and staff. Award the degree and qualification offered in the campus of the foreign institution in India shall be awarded under the name and seal of foreign higher education institute in the country of origin, वहीं पर दिया जाएगा. And mobility and credit transfer of the student from main campus of that institute to our Indian campus and vice versa, and between an Indian institution and this foreign institute का जो campus and vice versa, they are both are permitted. तो ये हो गया अपना एजुकेशन का पूरा.
नेशनल फैमिली हेल्थ सर्विस हाई और क्या क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है. तो टोटल mortality rate which used to be 2.2%, 2.2 in 2015-16 in NFS 4, it is now less than 2. NFS ने 2 बोला था किस वाले में. कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव प्रेवलेंस रेट CPR 54% था, 67% हो गया. एंटीनेटल केयर इंडिया फर्स्ट अब 70% हो गया, कल 3% था. अनमेट नीड ऑफ फैमिली प्लानिंग डिक्रीज हो गया, 13% है 9% हो गया. फुल इम्यूनाइजेशन किड्स 12 to 23 मंथ तो 75% से ज़्यादा, 62% गलत था. एंड सेक्स रेशियो जो है फीमेल पर 1000 में फर्स्ट टाइम एनी NFH पर सेंस आता है, तो सेक्स रेशियो skewed in favor of women. गलत डेटा है, चला 1020 है, अगर डायरेक्टली वाली का यह था. यूनिटल मॉर्टेलिटी रेट 25 हो गया, पहले 30 था. इनफैंट मॉर्टेलिटी रेट की अगर बात करें तो पहले 40 था, अभी 35 हो गया है. 40 से 35 और 30 से 25. अंडर 5 मॉर्टेलिटी रेट की बात करें तो पहले 50 था, अभी मान के चलो 40 हो गया. 5 तो दोनों वहां कम हुए थे ना, वो यहाँ 10% कम हो गया. एनीमिया अमाउंट वुमेन एज 50 to 49 ईयर्स में इंक्रीज हुआ 53% से 57% होता है. बच्चों में एनीमिया देखा जाए तो 5 महीने से लेकर 6 साल के बच्चों में तो वो भी इंक्रीज हुआ, वह तो 2/3 हो गया, 67%. Women age 20 to 24 years married between age 15 years, तो 26% जो थे पहले वो कम हुआ है, 23% हो गया. And man age between 25 to 29 years married before age of 21, 17% है. पहले दूसरा इंस्टीट्यूशनल बात की बात करें तो लगभग 90% अभी इंस्टीट्यूशनल बात है. चिल्ड्रन नंबर 5 years who are stunted तो 35.5%, पहले ये होता था 38% कम हुआ। चिल्ड्रन नंबर 5 year who are wasted मतलब वेट फॉर हाइट, तो अभी 90% है, पहले ये 21% हुआ करता था। चिल्ड्रन नंबर 5 year who are underweight, तो वेट फॉर एज कम है, 32% है, पहले ये 35% हुआ करता था। तो ये डेटा है जो हमें बहुत अच्छे से बट्टा मार लेना होता है और उसको बार बार मार करके यूज करना होता है।
नेक्स्ट है नेशनल हेल्थ अकाउंट एस्टिमेट्स। रिसेंटली यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर ने रिलीज किया है नेशनल हेल्थ अकाउंट एस्टिमेट फॉर। हाँ ठीक ठीक। तो इसको नेशनल हेल्थ अकाउंट एस्टिमेट जो है ये हम लोग देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में।